my name's Scarlet.
And Brickdude
And Trixie, and today we're doing a Nerdblock opening.
Woo! Nerdblock!
Let's see what's inside. You're strong, Scarlet.
And me!
Ooh.
Whoa.
So first up is The Labyrinth. A throwback from the 80s.
Okay.
And then we have... Let's see. We got Muscle from Masters of the Universe.
Master of the Universe.
And then we got And we got some sort of luggage tag. And also we have
The Ring of the Ring.
So next up is the Lord of the Rings. Eye of Sauron the Snow Globe.
The ring is the only thing to protect. Wow.
It looks like a fire eyeball.
Precious.
Alright, enough of that. Now it's a Homer Simpson's book. The Little Book of Laziness.
What the heck?
Looks interesting.
Yeah, should read it. And the cover too.
And then we have a collector's print of Ghostbusters. Who are you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Alright. So it looks like next month's Nerdblock is gonna be Attack on Titan and Batman, the animation series, or the new Batman Adventures, Star Trek, and yes, another round of Ghostbusters. So that's it for this month. So
I hope for you to like
and subscribe. Bye!